Man, y'all already know what time it is. What's good, Grizzly Squad? It's your boy Grizzly Money. I'm back with another daggone video. So let's go ahead and get this started, man. I'm too excited to even say, keep talking about anything. So let me go ahead and start her up. Black Beauty. That's him. Good this morning, I swear. Oh, let me turn. So, my Grizzly gang. So you already see what I got in the passenger seat. How's she looking, man? I gotta take the tape off right here, and that's gonna be black because I made sure I didn't want to paint that. You know, yeah. Look how she looking. Look how she is looking. Oh my gosh. I think I did an exquisite job. All right. All right, so we about to go ahead to my man's Charles' house real quick because we need help installing this thing. I feel like I can do it myself, but I know with Charles I won't make any mistakes and stuff like that, and I really don't want to make any mistakes with this car. You know, this is my baby right here, so. I know I ain't got my seatbelt on because Charles is literally down the street from me. So yeah, I'm pretty much here. Oh man, I'm so like tired. I had to work last night, you guys, so I've been hustling and bustling for real. I was supposed to be here earlier, and then my alarm clock did not want to make any noise, I assume, or else I was just dead to the world. I think that was that. But yeah, we about to go ahead and get this installed, baby. I got the box in the back to get this installed, and man, we about to get some more horsepower, y'all. I'm not even playing. I think it says I'm gonna get 15 or something like that, so we'll see how it is. And then I don't know, a tune might be coming up. What that tune gonna do? What is that tune gonna do? What is that tune gonna do? Hey, we here. Yeah, it comes straight out. Yeah.
Oh, so you already took it apart?
Yeah, I took it out. I took it off a bunch of times. Cause it got the K&N filter. Cause the first time I did it,
you just unscrewed this part.
Yeah, I thought so too. I took like everything off, and then somebody in the comments like, "All you gotta do is unscrew that." I was like, "Oh, my bad."
Okay, then. We can go ahead and start the video.
Yeah, man, we about to start this video, man. So, y'all, we about to go ahead and do this intake. I'm gonna be showing y'all a few things. I'm gonna be talking throughout it, just a little bit, but I'm really gonna be having this on time lapse. And then Charles can really break it down after the video for you guys, so y'all can see it. All right, so I just want this horsepower, you know. I just want this extra. What is it, 12 or something like that? I know it's a little bit, but it's gonna be the perfect amount for me. You know, I'm good with that. You know, until my Pro Charger comes. So let's go ahead and get this thing started. So far, we added the heat shields to it. What is it called?
The reflective heat.
The reflective heat shields. So we added those, and yeah, we're starting to just do everything now. We already pretty much, you know, got that.
So we pulled the intake off the car, and now we get ready to install the covering for the heat shield, the bracket for the heat shield.
Right. Once
we get that done, then we'll have. Let's see what we're gonna do. We're gonna build the. I guess we're just building a cage to put it inside. Once we do that, then we can install the pipe. Yeah. And go from there.
Yeah, we'll be.
All right.
Almost done. Back to time lapse. Pretty much done. Yeah, we're pretty much done, y'all. All right, so don't mind that. I'm gonna touch that up. We just had, you know how stuff happen when you gotta install things, man. It just happens. So yeah, that's pretty much it, y'all. Not it, but I'm gonna give y'all a few revs and things of it when I turn it on. But yeah, we got it already installed. Charles helped me out big time.
Yeah.
You know, big time, man.
Yeah,
so yeah, we gotta go do something, man. We gotta get some pulls on this. Yeah, got that intake in, y'all. All right, Grizzly Squad. I know it's, as soon as I wanted to turn on the car, they over there about to cut the grass and everything, but hopefully y'all can get a good sound of this beast, man. So we got the intake on, so let's go ahead and start it up. Oh, I got cool. There you go. Come on. I don't know what I'm not doing. Oh, the hood is open. Ah, I won't let me do it. I want to do it with the hood. Hey, Charles, you mind just holding this?
Yeah,
just hold this, and I'm gonna get inside and start it up.
I got you. Oops, hold the camera right.
Yeah, it might be a little shaky. All right, here we go.
Get that reaction.
Hey! Let me turn this around. Hey, Charles about to rev it up for me so I can get it, so y'all can hear it. Bro, it made a big difference. I didn't know it was gonna be that much difference. I had no clue it was gonna be that much of a difference, Charles. Dude, that is crazy. It's way louder now. Like, it was loud. Now it's almost obnoxious type loud. Almost. But dude, I gotta do some flybys with this, man.
Drive.
Hey man, look at that. I got a Porsche. Yeah, I'm about to fly by him real quick, man. Yo! Alright, man, so we about to go ahead. We about to clean up a little bit, and then we're gonna just take it down the street, you know, get a couple of pulls on to see how it sounds. Alright, y'all? Okay.
I had 380.
I hear like a little small, like little whistle or something like that. It get like a little whistle. Alright, so we're gonna let this car pass. We're gonna take off. Let me take my traction control, take all that stuff off. Whatever. Woo! Woo! Okay. I feel a little something extra. And it's definitely louder, y'all. If y'all don't understand, like, the volume of it. Let me see. Try to get like a good. I don't hear no crackle pops yet. I don't know if it's gonna do that, but the downshift is mean. Oh yeah, downshift is real mean. I'm gonna turn around right here. Woo! Yeah. Yeah. It moved. Yeah, down low, put you in the seat, man. And then I can't wait to get the pro charger. Y'all understand?
Pro charger was sick, Joe. Oh, reaching my power. That's cool.
I be driving it like this all the time. That's all you gonna hear. It's gone. Ha ha! Smiles and smiles. Woo! I'm gonna go to the next one. I'm like breaking too hard.
So I feel good.
Yeah. I think it's just more like, I don't know how to describe it, like more throaty or whatever. Right, you can like really hear it like downshift, and when it takes off, you hear it. Right, like before I used to just hit the exhaust, but now I can hear like the front and the back. So it's just like,
exactly. Letting that thing breathe.
Yeah. Like I'm not even pushing on it right now. It sounds like I am.
Sound nice.
Yeah. Nice. I was just doing 40. Oh yeah. See, I'm gonna show y'all. Yeah, cause I play my music and stuff.
Oh yeah, that's quiet as well.
So this is how it is. And you know, you press it twice. Yeah, we proud of that. I love this thing, man. So it's real simple.
It's good, man. Now give me some power, man. Give me some power. Good, strong acceleration. That little surge you feel? Every gear, it's just gonna feel like, oh yeah, shit. It's gonna feel like, oh shit, every freaking gear.
Yeah.
Oh, trust me. It's gonna feel like, oh shit. And right there, that feels linear.
Yeah.
That pro charger, that shit like,
They gonna pull it real
oh,
hard.
that, man, the torque in that joint. Woo.
I gotta turn right there, but I'll turn right there.
That's all good. Have fun, bro.
Yo, Grizzly Squad, so that is the end of the video, y'all. Thank y'all. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Grizzly Marty channel, because I'm coming up with these bangers every single goddamn day for you guys. And don't forget to watch all the ads to help your boy out, to get more mods, man, to get more content for you guys, because I gladly appreciate y'all watching that, man, because it really helps me out big time. And don't forget to share and hit that like button so everybody can see it, bro. Peace, Grizzly Squad. Let's get a few more red. Let me see. Get outside. Peace.